My healthy eating for weight loss this week has included steelhead trout with shrimp and beans, just very high protein, but very good. And I loved it so much that day that I had it the next day. It was very good. In the air fryer, of course. The next day it was a veggie day, and I had some greens and some okra, and I do eat my one piece of cornbread every now and then. As long as you count those calories and account for it, it was good to go. And then today I had grilled chicken in the air fryer, some chicken thighs, and my serving of beans. It was all good.